This is the story of two CFOs, Joe and Bob. Both had great new projects requiring a new packaging line and a capital request of $300,000. Bob committed his funds and waited to see if the project would be a success. Joe thought, we don't want to commit our money, and the last time we bought new equipment, the project didn't turn out like we'd planned. A year later, it was sitting idle. I wish we could keep this a variable expense until we have enough information to make an informed decision. I know. Let's call Frayne. At Frayne, cash flow is king. Most of our customers want to keep their options open before they commit to a machinery purchase. From the time you place your order, it can be 2 to 3 months before the equipment is in production in your plant. In another 2 to 3 months, you will know a lot more about your project. Will demand really equal the forecast? Joe found out that the Frayne Variable Expense Program gives you lots of options. You have 4 to 6 months to decide whether to keep the equipment, lease the equipment, buy different equipment, convert equipment to purchase, or return the equipment with no penalty. Bob found out that his money didn't go as far as he'd planned. This is cheap insurance to separate the losers from the winners. To discuss your custom options, call the Frayne Group at 630-629-9900 or email sales@fraynegroup.com or visit our website at www.fraynegroup.com.